Hi, and welcome to Technology Tidbits. This episode is on how to use and access our OPAC system, which is also known as our online library catalog. The first thing that you'll need to do is go ahead and enter in https colon / Beaumont USD destiny.com. When you do, you'll arrive at our Beaumont Unified School District Library homepage. On the left-hand side, there will be elementary schools listed. On the right-hand side, you will see all of the middle schools, the high schools, as well as the district office listed. Today we're going to go ahead and focus on San Gorgonio Middle School since that is our site. When you get to this page, you're going to notice we have 3 symbolos. Those symbolos are links to websites that you are able to access while here on campus. On the upper left-hand corner, we're going to go ahead and select Catalog. You'll notice we have our Find field. We have our keyword, title, author, subject, and series. And those are basically the options that we're able to go ahead and conduct a search under. So the first one we're going to do is a keyword. We're going to search pirates. Let's take a look at our results. Over here you'll notice that it tells us we have 50 titles. 25 are shown on this page. If we'd like to see page 2, you're going to click on the 2 that's located over here on the right-hand side. Or you can click Show All to see all of the results. You'll also note that you can print your list. You can also add pages to a list. Okay, now that will require you to log in if you'd like to create an actual list for yourself, which we'll go over at another time. The other thing that you're able to do is to sort your results by call number, author, title. If you do by title, it will go ahead and put them in alphabetical order for you. These right here in the bold black are the actual titles of the books. You can click on them to find out more information about that title. You'll also notice that you have the call number located here for you as well. That's the way that you will locate the book inside the library. This is a fiction book under LUC. If we drop down a little bit further, hopefully we will see a nonfiction book, which of course is represented with a number. Now over on the right hand side, it will go ahead and tell you how many books we actually have available. Okay, so it will give you a number 1 of 1, 2 of 2, 1 of 2. Let's go ahead and review exactly what that means. The first number indicates the number that we actually have available at this time. The second number represents the number of copies that we have. Okay, so this one, 1 of 1 is available. This one, down here under Bloody Jack, 1 of 2 is available. That means that 1 is currently checked out. You'll also notice that we have a little red book here. We have a little Discman over here. And then we have an E over on this one. The red book means that it is a physical copy of a book that we currently have. The little Discman means that we actually have an audiobook for it. And the E represents that we have an ebook. Now the ebook you can actually open if you just select Open. It will take you to a different website, which we call Follett Shelf. Before going to Follett Shelf, you will want to go ahead and notate whether or not that copy is checked in. If it says in, it's available. If it's out, then it's no longer available at this time, and you should come back and check at a later date. Let's go ahead and conduct another search. On the left-hand side, you're going to go ahead and select Library Search. Brings us back to our Find box. And this time we're going to write in Pirates and Smugglers. And this time hit Title. And you'll notice obviously that we have less results because our search terms were much more specific. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to our library search over here on the left-hand side. This time we're going to go ahead and we are going to search by author. You can either search by first name of the author or last name, but remember, the more specific you are, the less results that you'll get. Okay, here we have all of the titles that our library has available. Again, you'll note red as well as green. You'll also note that we have this title in Spanish, and that is an ebook as well. Okay, last but not least, we're going to go ahead and conduct another search, and this time we're going to do a series. We'll do Hunger Games since it's very popular right now. Now, the important thing to know about a series is that if I would have just put in Hunger Games and I would have hit title, I wouldn't have received the other books in the series like Catching Fire and Mockingjay. So again, we need to make our search as specific as possible. Being able to browse by series and search by series makes it a lot easier and gives us the more specific results and the results that we want. Okay, again, you can do it by title, you can do it by date. Okay, it gives you the most recent first. Okay, so that's just a quick little tutorial for you guys on how to use our OPAC system. Until next time.